Let's go.
Hello. Hello. Happy Friday. Happy time zone. Skeeter first in chat. Let's go. Great to see everybody. What's up, Jolt? Hello. Tracy, how's it going, Bench? Skeeter, Mindless, Meow. Peter Gryffindor, Leroy Jenkins, Leffo, Bork. You and Sloth and Stitch are hanging out. That's good stuff. Good stuff. 15 cats, feline. Appreciate you coming. Excellent to see everybody. I'm gonna do some stuff. Play some passionate games. Meow's here. It's the meow. What's he doing? Making a loaf. It's good stuff. Good stuff. I'm pretty sure I can use my controller with this. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna switch to my gamer mode. Okay. Nice ATONE. Heart of the Elder Tree.
You cannot do it. But I can.
Oh.
Watch me. Gian, pass me the axe. Come on.
The meat has addled your brain, Dala.
Enough to make me brave.
Brazen, more like. You think yourself man enough to light my axe?
He thinks himself a god. No more, no less.
I be the only man fit to invoke the light's power. And my father and his father before him.
And your wife?
Surely that was a trick. The sun's reflection, perhaps.
The sun. The sun, my left foot. And your daughter?
Estra. Only time will tell.
We've got time. The night is young.
And so are we, old friend.
I'm still young. Blast this busted thingamajig. And keep me from speaking with Matrig. I'm colorblind. Tune the lute. Always wanted to be a successful lute player. I don't know if that's right. Change my tune. I am moving. Wife is greatly missed tonight. Hey, you stay away from my wife. Drink water, not mead. More mead. What's this dude doing? It's all broody and stuff. The black swordsman has come. Interesting. Go away. People. If I can take his X. Oh, I already have an X. That's a hammer. She plays alone by the tree. Me. Eric would have dealt with this. Yeah, sure. Mead plays tricks with the mind. Oh, this dude's puking. Pet frog. Hold an axe, take me to fire. Wait, is this my house? Feel the rhythm of the battle. Oh, what's going on right now? Oh, thanks for the resub, BBT. 26 months. Let's go. Appreciate that, man. Hopefully you got a nap in. It's a long time. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow. Bow. About to kick your butt. Oops, messed up. Bum, 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 bum. Boom. Hello. Lefo bork bork. Meow slot. Meow. Hope the Friday's going well. Are you hurt? I just dance battled. I guess I just kicked her. Walk it off. I also have like a steel axe. And she's got a wooden sword. Storage unit, do an inventory for the Doctor Who convention. Oh, very exciting. Doctor Who convention, huh? I think I've seen like 10 episodes of Doctor Who. I've heard good things. Oh no. Not the tragic backstory of the hero. 11th Doctor? Yeah, there was like a bunch of main characters, right? That's always a weird. But I think the show went on for like forever. It would have been probably tough to keep one person. Something is wrong. Well, everybody's either drunk or dead. And apparently there's a talking squirrel. What happens? Squirrel. No. Chief? I must find my daughter. Yo, what's up, Rhino? The tragic Norse mythology backstory of lore. I like to think this is how things were in like the Norse times. I guess minus the everybody that you know dying part, with the talking to squirrels and drinking mead. I thought maybe they all peed themselves. Pretty sure they're dead. Well, this guy might be alright. Oh no, never mind. No, he's dead. Nope. The cows are fine though, and the sheep. Loki is a god by night, but a giant by blood. Oh, the grumpy old dude died too. Should have been nicer. That's karma for you. Odin, leader of the divine. Or did they all go to Valhalla then? They died in combat? What's this? Activate all the nodes in the proper order. Open the Elder Tree path. Nope, that was wrong. I feel like guessing might not be the move. There's 9 of these, so there's probably a lot of different combinations. It's all coming together. Simon says it's 4. Did I try this one already? Oh snap, there's a 50-50 chance. The pressure's on. Dang it. Feels bad. There we go. Boom. I did the thing. Look at me now, Dad. Not sure what I did. Oh, I think that's the right way. Oh, what did that do? Where's the tree? Hey, cheesy. Ahoy, matey. Too many enters. Just too excited, huh? I don't know how it feels. It's good to see you, Jesus. Hope you're having a good Friday. Oh, there's the tree. Odin's beard. No work. And this new job has been like a serial napper. Going from like going to bed at like 6 in the morning to getting up at 7. It's pretty rough. Oh hey, there's the kiddo. I think both the cats are. They are there. They're kind of just like shadowy shapes though. When the Stem Raiders. Great job. Gotta set battle plans. Imagine. I'm coming, kiddo. Stay strong. Don't touch the glowing tree. Estra. You must go. Go to the town, see all the dead people. Sometimes what we want is not in our best interests. So true.
I will not leave you here to die.
Come now. We must both be brave. Istra,
Yes, Father.
death is a part of all things. It is not the end. Do you understand? When you're older, you will return to this place. But for now, it's not safe for us. Listen for the tree. It will call you home again. Goodbye, my light.
Run! How did that happen? That's so much hair. A Tory blood that will be spilled this day. Oh no, I messed it up. It's finger DDR. Ah. Ooh. Take that. My milk. It's spilling everywhere. And when the world needed the squirrel most, vanished. Mm, 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 mm. Need to like cut the hair off. The haircut, Missy.
Read me a story, please.
Which one would you have?
The one you like, of us, our people.
So be it. Settle down then, my light. Let us begin. 'Tis a tale as old as time itself, when God could live alongside man as if they were kin. For our people were born from a time of great sadness, Estra. The All-Father abandoned our lands, leaving a rift we sought to fill with our own arrogance. A brother would take up arms against his own kin. Our land descended into chaos.
Why did they leave?
Because someone did a bad thing, and the goddess Idun lost her life as a
Idun.
result. Though not all gods lived, some lingered, traveling by Bifrost to Isa, maintaining bonds with human allies. But when Odin saw what we had wrought, he returned.
Was he mad?
Oh yes, but rather than purging humankind, the All-Father granted us the chance to redeem ourselves. A trial of 4 tests. The prize, our Odale power, and a seat at the table of the ATONE.
The magic in our spines.
Your grandmother teaches you well. Yes, Estra, the Odale power links us to the elder tree, Yggdrasil. It is what makes us stronger, an energy that sets us apart from humankind. Our Vingolf was erected in honor of our new blood, harboring all ATONE and allowing us watch over Isa. A chief was selected from these honorable ranks, donning a necklace passed down from Odin that links our soul to the elder tree. It has been inherited through ATONE generations.
And now you have it.
Now I do, for my mother passed it to me. So here we sit, little one, protecting that tree until our All-Father deems us worthy once again of his love, his trust.
You think he will?
One day, yes, but for now we wait, and we do our best. Perhaps one day this will be yours.
Only hope. Freya. Had Sven deliver this to you? Mm. Hmm. Magic mead. I do like mead. I'm in. Is this one of the ingredients? Magic mead. Their sap. Bjorn's venom, elk's eye, mayweed, dark blood. Sound. Oh, this is the settings. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna find this. Nice. I guess what are the controls though? That's why I like the map or something. Fish. Fish. More fish. What is that big statue thing? Represent your main goal and show you how to progress on your quest. Let's see. Odin's beard. Rhino with the balloon buster. Let's go. Investments finally paying off. What was that? That's a good question. And there's ducks. Hey, what did the map say? Oh, I think this is like a dead end. Oh no, it's not. It's tricky. You almost fooled me. There you are. Don't do it. It's too dangerous. Also, what are you doing? Oh, nice. Ah. Should get something in the graveyard. But nope. Am I gonna fight that lizard? I hope so. I can do this myself. Alone. Huh? Is this like the Zelda cheat code? Nope. Wait. I think I understand. Yeah, there we go. Where is this one? Oh, is it this? The Bifrost. Mm. Noise came from north, but I want to go this way. I'm the master of my own destiny. Me to come with you? It's gonna be like my moose shoe. Always wanted a moose shoe. Give me poor life advice. Oh my. Wonder what book that is. Also, there's a skeleton there.
My darling son, what I would not give to go back, to reach out and warn you of what was to come. But time is not ours to play with. We must take it as it is dealt. I remember the clashing of blades.
Is that Graham?
The sound so loud in the dark. Age is a
I remember Graham.
It puts what we love most just out of our reach. But you, Estra, were just close enough.
She was an enjoyer of mead.
Shattered hearts we left that dreadful place. A mother should never outgrow her child. You did not fear Nastrand, nor the wilds of ice and rock, and though our journey was long, you uttered not a word of complaint. Borsch would never be your home, not truly. But oh, did the people welcome you. Tion's daughter, child of Anna. You refused to use anything else, you know. But it sang in your hands as though it was made for our blood alone to wield. You grew to embody your father, Estra, my son. What a blessing you have been for all of us.
Why show me this? Oh, hey. from you. Poor lizard dude. Top of the morning to you. The she-wolf emerges from her den. Into the blood here shed. Toot, toot, toot. The fire truck you talking about? You trying to fight? Oh, hey, somebody's dead up there. Milking all over the place. Tribute to Odin. No one in, no one out. It's a sheep. Let me talk to this person first. Did you? I assumed that he killed her. Seems a bit sus. Bit sus. Jumbled. Made a drawing of what happened. Rearrange the pieces and produce the original image. Oh, fun. Let's see here. This goes here, probably. There's some feet. I guess maybe it's like this. I feel like this is close. Maybe he's over here. What have you done? You spilled the milk. Tis late. What in Odin's beard? Interesting. There's a trail of milk. My name is Yuri. A blue vein. Oh nice, now I got a companion. It's a hard journey we've got ahead of us, lizard dude. You should be on your A game. No. 3 crests of a gorge. Sheep, mountain, and this guy. Shepherd. Sheep, mountain, shepherd. Yep. There you go. Take that. Good password. Nobody's getting through that. Is that a doggo? Do you think I am taller? Rolf misses you. See you later. What? What is it? Do you seek wisdom? Free your mind. What? What stone? Oh, this. Is that the magical stone of lore? Oh. Oh, nice. Always wanted a key. The battle's ready. Let's go. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Great job. BBT Rhino Lark. Getting the stuff. I just realized Kitty left. Kitty's not on the kitty cam. Imagine. I feel myself growing grayer each day. Do you like 20 or something? Is something wrong? You got the letter. Today is not my day. Strike me blind, be that Estra. No. No, it's not. I checked my reflection this morning. Oh, that's good. That's good comedy right there. Playing with the weeds at home. Oh boy. Oh, weeds. A future's truth. A man with many faces. The foe who hides in plain sight. I think it might be Graham. I never trusted her. Oh, I can take this. Nice. A little light stealing from random people. Brocky. Look just like your father. I don't know if that's a compliment. Gendry's dead. It is not as you think. Um, there's more bad news, Graham. Just want to dump it all on you at once. It's a beautiful portrait of them. They'll always be remembered. Go to the village. I too kill people, Aaron. It's fine. So were you so deep? Can you blame her? The Great War. I'd like this to be my gravestone right here. Was this like 50 feet tall or something? I don't care about the cost. Sell the house if you have to. Do I go give more bad news to Graham now? I hope so. No, she's not here. I'm out of the balls. Oh no. It is done. I killed the child. I have a frog. Is that a frog? That was like a gecko. A pleasure to meet you. The blue vein. Know you this tree? Who doesn't know the tree? Why do none of us believe? Blasphemy.
"'Tis a tale of the first blue vein, a monster we believed had been committed to the depths of our memory. For many lifetimes ago, the goddess Frigg fell ill, her body overcome by a snake's deadly poison. Despite the best efforts of her husband, Odin could not find a cure amongst his brethren. Instead, he was advised to seek the aid of the elder tree, Yggdrasil, which grew at the center of Isa. The tree, in all of its power, mediated life and death through its roots, bringing balance to the world. And so, Odin set off with his uncle Mima and the human hero Vanya to bring his wife to the tree. Upon arrival, Odin offered Frigg's body to the roots of Yggdrasil, guarding it day and night until finally the tree grew over her, welcoming her into its embrace. All around the three men, blue orbs began to rise from plant and animal alike, the world turning a sickly shade. But the beauty was lost on them. Vanya, their human companion, was possessed suddenly by some otherworldly force.
The blue vein?
Yes. Desperate to aid his friend, Nima reached for the man only to meet his end at the point of a sword. Odin fought the monster beneath the moon, Vanya's eyes bright and blue. Despite the warrior's prowess and beast-like ferocity, Odin brought him down. His blade plunged through the man's heart. And as their lives expired, Odin witnessed their souls rise blue from their chests, welcomed into the boughs of the elder tree. The forest returned her colors, and Frigg, once more, opened her eyes.
Not Frigg. Do you know who has the blue vein ever returned? Why does the tree hurt us? I need answers. A sword, if left alone, does not take a life. Well, that's controversial. Swords are dangerous. Hmm. What would you have me do? My knees ache and I have much to think about. Graham's out here like, well, good luck saving the world. See ya. Get out. Courtesy of the old woman. You do not seem happy. Did I say something wrong? Your first is the most difficult. I know a lot about childbirth. You are not great at talking to people. Oh, a map. Wow. I got the map. Adventure awaits. I wish I could ride the cows. I know it wouldn't be very fast, but I'd have a good time. I could just ride a cow during the whole game. Nothing else changes. Metric. I'm doing like a terrible job at remembering. I think that's Graham. Not the best at memorizing Norse names. What is going on down here? I was supposed to kill Graham, not you. Let's go on Super Saiyan, watch out.
What is happening to him? I'm not sure.
Constipation. I know. I feel like he could have stopped that before he stabbed her. How long were you just standing there for? Come on. Oh, man. How could you do this?
Welcome
I want
to
answers.
the real world.
Yo, PJG. With the raid. Let's go. Appreciate it. Hope the stream went well. Much appreciated. Always great to see ya. I think you guys are playing Apex, right? I don't know. I'm really screwing this up. Can I can't pause. No. Yo. What's up, PJ? I'm playing like Norse DDR. Yeah, thanks for the shout out. Be sure to go follow the PJ and G. They're both great. Top tier streamers. Oof. I think that's good enough. Apex with BVT, oh yeah. Be an Apex Predator soon. Mercy or justice? I like the way they word that. Yo, what's up, Sonic? I feel like that's kind of like... I don't know what the question mark's about. Spare more bloodshed. I mean, he did kill my Gram. Hello, Clay. Hello. Finish him. Fatality.
Estra? Shut up! Just shut up.
I mean, it's all possessed and stuff. What are we gonna do? Keep him in... Put him in a cage for the rest of his life? That's much better.
Sweet girl.
I am here. Shall I fetch Turid or Ursula?
No. Let me be.
Grandmother, please.
Let me see my son now, child. It is time.
This is so sad. What has happened? Oh yeah, didn't I just kill her husband? Everything's fine. Where is my husband? He's in my grandma's basement. We'll see you later. I gotta go. Have fun with that. Sven became a monster. Oh, I missed the Pokemongs. Jeez, he got a swan. Dead. They're all dead. Lived a ripe life of 22. Asa's heart. turds more than capable. Nastrand is a frightening place. Let's go, Mushu. There's work to be done. If I solve this, I will gain power. Only one way to find out. I like the 2 correct squares. Correctly highlighted squares will turn red and correctly will flash red. Select the incorrect square 3 times. Oh no. Meow. Right, so is it like 1, 2, this one? Boom. Good stuff. Oh, whoa. Nice. That's all there is in here. Just through the door. You're supposed to be like a mystical spirit. You'll be asking me questions. I'm scared too. I might be a little bit. No going back now. I mean, we could still go back. You can always give up. Stay back. How are you even here? That's all pretty good questions. I've been nibbling on that fruit for years. Mm-hmm. Maze scribbles. Oh, jeez. It's a lot of scribbles. Yo, what's up, Apple? Hello. Love the emote. Yeah, buddy. Little almonds. Some cookie goodness. I could go for some cookies. Mm-mm. Oh, wow. I think that's a hand. It's a big hand. You too? What's your, as a food aficionado, what's your favorite type of cookie, Apple? Tomato. Cup of tea. Nice. Got some coffee. Peanut butter and white chocolate chip with cranberries. That's a good choice. Oh, that was the boss fight too. Nice. Nicely done. One. Mark Cheesy, caffeinated, getting the stuff. I don't think I've ever had that before, but definitely peanut butter and like white chocolate macadamia nut separately are two of my favorites. So I imagine I'd like it. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Oh, I think my foot fell asleep. Oh no. Not like this. Biscuits, custard cream, jammy Dodgers. I mean, maybe. Aussie Tim Tams. I'm not sure if I've had those before. That sounds familiar. Seek the fingers. That's kind of a weird thing to say, but alright. Fair enough. Did I finger it out? What else does this thing want me to do? I'm seeking. Oreos with some milk, yeah, for sure. I feel like I tend to eat like way too many Oreos and then I feel like crap afterwards. Oh hey, I did it. Not sure what I did, but I did it. Cookie TED Talk. No, I didn't realize that TEDx, they do like hundreds of talks. Like I went to their YouTube channel and there's like, they upload like 100 talks a week. I didn't know it was that like saturated, I guess. Sigurd Marg, the traitor. I've got foresight now. I don't know what that means, but I'll take it. Trying to learn English? Yeah, I could definitely see that for sure. Yeah, they got some real good stuff. Shapes and dots. Is it just like this? Nope. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Is it... Boom. I am the smartest cat alive. Yo, what's up, Maui? It's great to see you, man. Okay, what's your tea? You think it would actually drink the tea? I feel like Kitty will try to take stuff from me sometime, and it's like, I guess you can have it. I don't think you're gonna like it. Sometimes she'll actually eat it though. She'll try taking like hot dogs out of my hand and stuff. Yes, she. Oh man. Lead us out. Oh, there's half and half? Yeah, for sure. Like cheese too. Like Meow doesn't really do that stuff, but Kitty will try just like taking food off my plate. It's pretty bold. Grew up in the streets. Turn into your soul. You give me that tea. That's the spirit. What's going on here? Skull thing. Weird dance moves. On the steroids? Oh man. Like the cortisone steroids? Or is she getting super buff? Enter like a bodybuilding tournament. Got a buff kitty. I think we are lost. No. I'm never lost. My precious. Settle down there, gecko dude. The ring's mine. Little beefy. Yeah, definitely. When I took me out of the vet, I think when they call cats fat, they're like very well fed. Meow's very well fed. It's trouble keeping her food down. Oh man. Yeah, I remember you telling me she was getting up there in age. You lost? Are you? Nice. I think so. Wait, what? They will be fine. Well, if he's lost, how's he supposed to go back to entrance? There were 3 of us, you know. How many days has it been? I can't remember. Who are you? That's, that rat's got a lot of problems. Like, you think you got problems. I just killed like 3 people and watched my gram get killed. And then told I had to save the world. Don't be complaining to me about your mazes. The vet said don't bring back? Can they even do that? I think I'm supposed to be following the yellow brick road. Your kind ain't welcome here. The vet story? I don't think so. My bones are weary. Yes, are mine. You're like a freaking ghost. Next time you reincarnate, Yuri, turn into like a freaking horse, not a gecko frog. Do you want to hear a story? I mean, probably. I got time. It is Friday night. Do I have any say in it? Who do I have to blame for that? You. I'm gonna blame for my problems. Me. I'm totally without fault, innocent as a babe. Sure. I have been here, waiting. Oh, wait.
It was so long ago. To think of it is strange. But back
Oh, geez. Diva and feisty.
My father was much loved among his kin. Bragi brought happiness to all through song and story. Bad things happen to kind people, Estra. I don't know why. And so, on the night of the great feast, His wife died after taking a bite of a poison apple. Idun, goddess of youth.
Idun.
It was awful. Bragi was heartbroken, taking to the forest and throwing his harp into the deep waters of Isa's lake, never to sing again.
Not the harp.
Smile. Crippled by his loneliness, my father
Vet visits
the last of the magic
become
in his heart.
increasingly more volatile.
A friend. You. Me. But I was only one friend when my father had loved hundreds. It was not enough, Estra. I did not ease his sadness. A darkness coated his soul, changing him into a new man. One I did not know. Bragi gained the power of foresight, and in doing so, he witnessed the turn of things. The moment the gods would
Oh, is this
leave
the
world and head
frog gecko's voice?
to Bifrost. So, when the time came, my father followed Odin through the portal to Asgard.
2-ish years ago.
It wasn't
She's
all
got the
bad, I promise.
pukes.
Bragi asked me to do one last thing for him before he left, for the sake of mankind. That's what he said. He told me that if I was patient, I would find a flame-haired girl with a gem that lit up the darkness, and I wouldn't be alone anymore.
After much searching, I settled on local vet. The fateful day came. I like the story pacing up. Quite the storyteller. Of leaving behind children to shoulder their burden. Sick burn. I could do like a better Norse accent. Like Norse accent. The whole game. She was spicy. She would require sedation. They're probably out there like, don't you tell us, boy. We know way more. Yo, what's up, Kyle? Great to see you, buddy. Happy Friday. Whoa. Give her 3 sedatives? Oh, man. Did you sleep well? Oh, yeah. Like a baby. That's a lot of sedatives. X-rays and blood work. What is this? Oh, wait, let me guess what it does. This. Nope. Get some dinner back later. Have a great dinner, Kyle. Hopefully it's something good. Oh wait, it says where they need to be turned. Or no, it doesn't. Never mind. I'm drunk. What's up with the arrow? Oh, it's a thingy. Is that a freaking phone? Like an iPhone 6? Not sure which way is which. Or war cries from the back. Epic battle of wills, fangs, claws. Those thick gloves. Oh, jeez. What's Bjork doing here? Why do you have a frog on your shoulder? How did you get here? He's a spirit. The door to the back opens. A frazzled vet tech informs me that my assistance is required in the back. Hmm. M space formed OG won her battle. Rearrange the pieces and produce the original image. Whoa, 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 whoa.
28 slutty months.
28 slutty months. Oh, what's up, rat? Appreciate the resub. 28 months. I think that's like about as long as I've been streaming. Great to see you, man. That's not right. Nope. No, that's not right either. Got away from them, made a break for the X-ray room. Dove into the X-ray machine. Can't get her out. Let me try and soothe the beast. Okay, get her out of hiding spot. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's good stuff. I don't think I've ever heard of them not letting telling somebody like to not come back, but I guess it kind of makes sense that it could happen. I know that's right. How is this not it? Maybe these go here. Maybe they're here. Nah. Left in the room, lights turned out, sitting on the floor. Oh man. Get her back in a carrier. Front exam room. Yeah, definitely. Like most animals are stressed out. If they're feisty, it's gotta be way worse for sure. The x-rays and blood work, the sedatives make OT throw up. Oh boy. I feel like it's probably this. I feel like it's this thing. It doesn't really make sense. Or wait a second. How does that work though? This or no? So okay. There we go. That's close. All of herself in a carrier. The vet is horrified. Like, I never want to bring it back here. Second stage of the battle commences. That's so. I mean, what are you supposed to do? Like, just not take the cat to the vet? Yo, what's up, Jimmy? Hello, Jimmy. Girl bites the hand that feeds her. Will you stay down on your knees? Will you bite the hand? Will you stay down on? Next day at home, G worked herself up so much she sounds hoarse. She meows. And she's pissed. Oh boy. She does not have her knife. Nani?
Bad luck follows that family like a ghost, I swear it. Gendry was a good lad, a kind soul who kept mostly to himself. Many saw Irene as his burden, but I knew that he bore no ill will towards his sister. Gendry wanted the best for her, despite the sadness he could see weighing her down. He knew that she would one day seek to forge her own path, and sought to arm her so that Irene could, when the day came, take on the world with no fear in her heart. The knife he made was crude and small, carved with an effigy of the girl who would wield it. The figure was alone. It was dangerous. It would be underestimated. She loved it more than anything, you know that. The boy was aware that I did not approve, but Irene was in his care. It was not my place to say. When she used that knife to defend herself, Irene crossed a line. I could not let her have hold of it for fear of what she may go on to do. So I took it from her, Estra. The one thing she had left of her kin. I took it.
Given a sedative to give her before she's dropped off for ultrasound. After a wrestling match, I emerged mostly victorious. Sedative didn't help. She should have warbled the song of her people. Back about a second foray onto the battlefield. The girl is unstable. Need like some horse tranquilizers for the cat. Another sedative taken back to await the moment of truth. You will need it. I never figured this part out. Need more what? Are they pointing at something? Jorm the snake. Stay back. I will not eat the apples. Oh, I gotta fight. Drop her off later the evening. The phone rings. I'm not eating the apples. I know how that story ends. Oof. Boom. Ouch. Oh, I just like hit him over the head or something. It's the vet's office. They're supposed to do an ultrasound EKG. Oh, warrior princess that she is. Sedation too quickly. I could do the test. La La Land. Let's hit Pet's home this quickly. You have to go pick her up now. Oh boy. Oh, hey, Kitty's back. It's a sneaky kitty. I guess she kind of just looks like a black blob. It is indeed a cat. Bum bum bum. When the Gem Raiders. Lark. Rhino. Spawn. Getting the stuff. Oh geez, a mean junk. Oh no. That's some good stuff right now. Appreciate you slapping your units inside of me. I think I did all my questies. The influence of catnip or sedation? Oh, she gets pissed on catnip? Oh no. Not ever seen a cat get mad about get mad from taking catnip before. I have rotated them. They're rotated. What do you want from me? There you go. Just keep rotating them till it works. Charging out while flat in our face. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there's a Pokemon. Attempt to pick her up and put her in a smaller room. It's growling at you. Sounding like a freaking... Sounding like a dryer that's on the fritz. Brrr. Hey, what is this? Oh, nice. I have like no idea where I am on this map. I need like a "you are here" icon. Good night, Rhino. Have a great sleep, broski. Hope you had a good day with your 18 animals. What the heck is that? Needs their space. Corral her and put her in a smaller space. And sleep it off. That's probably a good call. They really shouldn't. Hates everything and everyone the next day, still growling and not putting up with any crap from anyone. doomed to wade in these waters for all time. Victor. And walls weep venom. Nani? We should leave. You too shall wade. We all float down here. I think I should have like ate my bread or whatever. I got four hearts left. Oh, I messed it up. Bum 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 bum. Too many buttons. Ooh.
Your death will be quick, girl.
Attack frog. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Use the axe instead of dancing. Suspect she has a cardiac issue. They will do tests conclusively prove anything. Let's do a heart because she growls, hisses, and spits. Yeah, that would make sense. You got the thingy-majig on her. Not gonna be able to hear it over all the noise. In Japanese store, so many calico things. Oh, very exciting. Discord channel, yeah, for sure. Well, I want to see the things. He comes back. Chance she'll have a cardiac or respiratory event we can't get her back out of. Over the phone. No more vet visits for the world will burn. Yeah, I mean, that is definitely a thing. Like, Meow gets, like, super stressed. I mean, he's not, like, aggressive, but it's definitely, like, the most stressful thing in his life, taking him to the vet. And I do wonder that sometimes, like, a lot of people, like, take him to get, like, a yearly checkup and stuff, and it's, like, it might be, like, taking a year off of his life every time if we can take him. So, it's tough. Let's go, frog. I survived to the end of the song. Now this one tells me where I am. Just not this one. Odin's Law. Tharroks alike take heed. Interesting. Top of the morning to you. Darl of the woods. To the secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountain. Using your whole health? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that might be for the best. I was thinking they were like, don't bring her specifically to here. Take her somewhere else. I don't want to deal with her. What is this? Magic mushroom. Oh, nice. Don't mind if I do. +1 heart container. I can do a purple or a... I think I'm gonna go purple. I'd like a purple mushroom, please. I now see the truth. My mind's open. That was nice. I'll take another one. I can stop whenever I want. Woo! The colors. I'm one with everything. Give me one more, man. I'm good for it. I don't have enough money, but I'll pay you back. I just need one more. Oh, man. It's peaceful as you can. Until then, the warrior princess will battle on. It's well said, Apple. If only I was big enough to wield such a blade. Yeah, it's a great story. You're a pretty good storyteller, Apple. Nicely done. Like I learned a lot tonight. There's ducks. I can't get to them. Dang. At least I can play with the sheep. Bah, humbug. Mm. Oh, it's that squirrel. What do you want? You trying to throw fisticuffs? Maybe I does.
A while back, Odin picked 2 trees and breathed on them. Not really sure why. One was ash, the other was elm. The Allfather sired Midgard's first human man and human woman, Ask and Embla, who would go on to have
The chosen one? Yeah, apparently.
with their bloodline. Much to their father's dismay, they didn't love one another enough.
Right before my gram died, she was like,
Not strong.
only you
Really liked his
can
wife,
prevent forest
was
fires.
scared of
Or something like that.
Spirits say that
Save
Ask
the
was
tree.
possessed with some tree roots, the power that runs through the world.
Just
Boring,
me.
if you ask me. Embla wanted a friend, so she chose a god. Why not? But Embla liked the god too much, and then things got messy, because you humans are like that.
Wise old
The
lady.
god and man found out. Oh,
I
the
agree.
drama. The gods tried to be okay with it, but then Ask went and took his own life with a god-forged blade. They weren't okay with that. The spirits say he did it to put an end to a broken heart. Odin was really sad, so he made a big decision. No man or woman could
I wrote
ever
some
love
stuff on this paper, guys.
Likewise, no god could ever love a human. So great was his upset, Odin made it law that anyone who broke it
Hume.
would be punished, sacrificed in the name.
Wonder if I can work that into my
Some of you
vocabulary.
still tried.
Start calling people Humes.
But Ask lived in the bowels
Typical Humes.
Yggdrasil, which the spirits say sprouted from his wound, watered by his blood. Gross.
A charming tale. Pretty good. Thank you for that. Now get lost. I think that's a good place to end the story. For now. I think it autosaves. Hope so. Yep. There's an arena. Interesting. Interesting. Good stuff. Good stuff. You could play with the controller. Norse things. It's a 10 out of 10 game. Could use more cats, but you know, it's not my only complaint. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for Catter Day. It'll be a pretty good time. And let's go raid. Let's go raid buddy Maui. He just got Twitch partner like an hour ago. Very exciting stuff. Much excite. So go say hi if you feel like it. Thanks for the story, Apple. Appreciate everybody hanging out. Much love. I'll see y'all on Catter Day. Yeah. Captain